We are in lesson 3, working on our first skill, printing with Backstage. And now we will look into the third skill task, which is print an entire workbook. Let's go to Excel and we will open a workbook from the student data folder. Click on folder, student data files. And for this task again, we will open this 03 Contours of Portlet Departments file. Click on this. Now go to your Backstage, click on print, and you can see you have one sheet available here for your first worksheet, which is for HR, but you want to print all the worksheets. So now we will use the settings option, this drop down which we looked earlier in our first skill task. Now select print entire workbook. Previously we selected the print selection. Now select, and this is the default selection, which is print active sheets. When we select print entire workbook, since we have 3 worksheets available in our document, so you can see this change here. Now we have all the 3 worksheets available in the print preview. First is for HR, second is for operation, and third for finance. So by selecting this option, print entire workbook, you can print all the worksheets that are available in your workbook. You can go back to your document, close this file, and you can keep the Excel application open if you want to proceed to other exercises. Thank you.